Hello everyone. Today we're going to carry on with another one of these kind of half repair videos. You're not going to see the part where I diagnosed and ordered the parts because my YouTube setup wasn't working, and now I've got the parts and I'm going to do some repairs. Today we've got an MacBook Air is a A2681 that came in for liquid damage, and when I checked it out, I found out the angle sensor was badly corroded. So I ordered a replacement cable, but now I need to replace the chip because, as we know, Apple paired it up to the laptop. So yeah, we need to replace the chip. We're gonna fit it in, and hopefully everything's gonna be working okay. But let's switch to the microscope. And I already prepared a new cable here. All right, there we go. Okay, I've got the original chip here. I already took it off and cleaned it as much as I could. Let's have a look at it. Yeah. So now all we need is to desolder this. Let's protect that cable a bit. Right. We don't want to melt this cable. I'm going to start with 280. That should take it off. 45 liters there, and let's see how that goes. Alexa, turn the extractor on.
Okay.
Okay, so click. Yeah, that's just another bit of leaded solder. Okay, that was a waste of time. The chip didn't survive all that ordeal, the liquid damage and the corrosion. So it's a different day. We've got another sensor, and we're gonna be using the nerd tool to program the new sensor to calibrate it to this screen. So let's get to it. Let's start taking this apart. Okay. Okay, so let's screw the new sensor on. And get the nerd tool. Don't think it needs the extra protection. Let's plug the sensor into the, make sure it's in the right connector, the MacBook Air one. Well, it wouldn't go on the other one, but just make sure you don't try to push it in the wrong connector. Let's power it up. Let's see. We've got the lid open LED on. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to turn the light off. Yeah. So we've got the lid open LED on, and the LED 2 flashing, which according to the instructions is the right sequence for LEDs, and it means the sensor needs calibrating. So for the MacBook Air, we need to use switch 2. Press switch 2. And when the LED 1 lights up continuously, I don't know why the camera's chasing focus, is hunting for it. Okay. And the open lid LED is gone off. Let's check. Let's see if we can do this. When we open, it should come on. Don't know if you can see it turned on. It's turning off. On, off. Okay. And what we need to do now, once we've done the check, you have to make sure you press switch number 2 again to save the calibration. Okay. So they blink twice. Okay. We need to unplug and disconnect the sensor. All right. It looks like it's been successful. Connect the sensor. I tried to use one of the AliExpress sensors I bought, but they didn't work. Turn the lights back on. So this sensor is from the people that sell the tool, and it works straight away. Okay, let's glue all these back in. Did we remove all the plastics? We did. Okay, that's in. Let's fit the cover there. Okay, that's in. We're fully confident. We're going to put that back on. the little cover. Okay, you haven't seen anything. So I was doing everything under the microscope, but hey. Alright, let's connect the battery. That's in. Oh, we're nearly there. Testing it. Okay, let's turn it on. Touch the charger. Remove the batteries, if charged or not. Gonna check now. There you go. Alright, Mac is turning on. I'm gonna need to cover the name. So I can find the around here. Okay, so moment of truth. There you go. Goes off, comes back on. Sensor is fully working. We're gonna put the cover on and get you all ready to get it back to another happy customer. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.